Hi, I am John. Aras PLM architect.
Hi, I am Jennifer. I am a process engineer. Hey John. As you are aware, the BOM relationship tab has OTB functionality on right-click to replace a part. Now I want the BOM structure tab to have the same capability.
But the BOM structure has all levels of parts for that assembly.
Yes, exactly. I want a feature where I can replace a part from that view, so I don't need to open Part Item tab to change at a specific level. Right from selected part, I should be able to perform replacement at any level of this part.
I get it now. We exactly have something for you.
Oh. Wow. Very cool. Will you demonstrate?
Sure, let's get into the system. I have opened a top assembly part. Replace Part tool is already configured here, so I will navigate to BOM Structure tab and try to replace a part from any sub-assemblies. For demo purposes, I will select the memory module. Then Internal Memory Module. Select the RAM 16 GB part to be replaced. Select Replace Part icon available in the Relationship tab command bar. Select the replacement part, RAM 32 GB and click on OK. Now the part is replaced in internal memory subassembly.
This is wonderful. You saved my day. Now I can replace a part from the view at any level of item without opening it using your amazing tool.